What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain. If you're new here, I make videos on personal finance, how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started the ROBINHOOD challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video is about whether or not T2 Biosystems is a buy right now. But before we hop into that, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $30,512.41 on the day. Really not much. We had an up day, but it wasn't really much. On the week, we are down 3%. On the month, we are up 2%, over 2.5%. If I take you guys 3 months out, we are up over 28%. And if I take you guys 1 year out, we are up over 8%. Again, guys, this is the power of the stock market. More importantly, this is the power of when to buy, how to invest, and getting into quality companies on your investment journey. Today, we're going to look at ticker symbol TTO, better known as T2 Biosystems, which currently sits at $1.27. The 52-week high for this one is $3.21, and the 52-week low on this one is 23 cents. This was requested by many of you, and so I wanted to, 1, honor the request, but 2, give you guys the information so that you can make informed decisions about these type of plays, okay? And so what my job is, even though I'm a long-term investor, I'll always do what I can to help you guys out that's trying to get in these positions, in hopes that you get out of these quick and into more quality stocks along the way. However, T2 Biosystems was doing this thing for a period of time. However, they ran into a little bit of a bumpy road, and I wanted to kind of share some insight with you on what's going on and where the stock is at now and what you should do in terms of whether or not you establish a small position or not. Okay, T2 Biosystems is a leader in rapid detection of sepsis causing pathogens. Today, they announced on June 16th that they received a written notice from the NASDAQ listing qualification staff of the NASDAQ stock market stating that the company regained compliance with the applicable NASDAQ minimum bid price continued listing requirement, and the matter is now closed. Okay, what happened, guys, is this company, and this what I'm about to share with you, can happen for any of these penny stocks that's under $5 when they drop under $1. Because this company dropped under $1 and they was unable to maintain status above $1 for 30 consecutive days, they got temporarily delisted. They were delisted until they can show that they can be above $1 for 10 consecutive days. And so, as you can see, as I just shared with you guys, on June 16th, they reinstated this stock, and now it's available for you guys to trade again. But that should be a cautionary tale on whether or not you want to get into a stock that can't even maintain a $1 value, okay? Just keep in mind things like that, man, as you making these decisions, getting in and out of these short plays and these penny stocks. TTO, again, there may be some potential there, but right now, guys, if I was a new investor, if I was you, if I'm talking right to you, I would wait on this one. I would give it some time to see how it's going to perform, see how it's going to do, see if it can make some kind of recovery in terms of some sustainability, and then revisit the stock and decide for yourself whether or not you want to get back into it or not. A stock that I like better than this, that I would recommend you guys get into, is AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. Okay, this one is a much better ran company. This one is also in the healthcare space. And so if you want to get into something that has long-term sustainability, great growth potential, and will do well by the earnings that it makes annually and in the future, consider AbbVie. Hey, man, I hope that was helpful. If you have more don't hesitate to drop them in my comments below. Now it's time for our question of the day. Our question of the day comes from Miss Monique, and she says, "You are heaven sent, Chris. A couple weeks ago, I was struggling with who I was going to pay to train me about the stock market. I just wanted to learn the simple things, but something told me just to wait. And then I kept seeing your videos and you were providing the info that I was wondering about. Thank you for being so transparent and down to earth for us little people." Miss Monique, man, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for this comment first and foremost, but more importantly, man, I want to thank you for sharing this. Oftentimes, man, you can lose your way when you're trying to make these videos, but this is a reminder of why I did it in the first place. I know I've been investing for a long time, but I know that there are a lot of new people that's investing, and I'm responsible for a lot of these new people investing, as I have made it my mission to turn on as many people as possible to the stock market. And so I have a huge following, and that's what I've set out to do. And so with that, you got all kinds of people. Yes, I'm a long-term dividend investor, but you got people that like penny stocks, you got people that like to trade options, and so I have to meet people where they are at. I'm just thankful that I can be a relatable voice that you guys can not only listen to but learn from, and then follow some of the insights that I try to share each and every video. So Miss Monique, man, I thank you for sharing your words, for sharing your heart. It means a lot. I'm intentional about this. I love the stock market, but more importantly, I love building wealth. I love helping people become homeowners in real life outside of YouTube. I love helping people build their wealth. I love helping people become who they are destined to be. That's what I dedicate my life to each and every day when I'm not on camera. And so to have an extension of that via YouTube, and then for you guys to actually pick up on it, I really appreciate that. So I just wanted to come on here today and say thanks. Hey, listen, man, I make videos like this every week. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.